When you're part of a company that's helped feed generations, built cities, and transformed industry time and time again, it's easy to rest on your laurels. But that's not us. At CNH Industrial, we never stop breaking new ground. In an ever-changing world with never-ending challenges, too much depends on what we do. It's a singular focus shared by each and every member of our team. Breaking new ground leads us to innovations that combine the strength of our past with the intelligence of tomorrow. Creating customer-focused solutions for real-world problems. Providing alternative fuels for ever-changing needs. Autonomous, automated, and precision systems that streamline production and boost profitability. Breaking new ground guides us to greater productivity, allowing us to do more with less. In a fast-moving world, we stay a step ahead, forecasting challenges and finding future-proof solutions, and supporting time-honored skills with cutting-edge science. For us, breaking new ground also goes beyond machinery, which is why we continue our commitment to sustainability. With alternative fuels and electrification, lower emissions and less waste, we're meeting the challenges of a changing world. From the farm fields to the executive office, finding new ways to improve, challenge, and transform is at the core of all we do. For the people working to feed the world and build for the future, every day is our chance to make a difference. We're CNH Industrial, breaking new ground, relentlessly working for a brighter future.